February 11th, 2020, a day that started like any other, but quickly escalated into a controversial event that would capture the public's attention. This is the story of a shoplifting case that spiraled into allegations of child endangerment and resisting arrest. In today's video, we'll break down the details, show the footage, and explore what really happened.
Alright, get up.
She's talking to you.
Yeah. You have anything in your bag?
No.
Do you have anybody here with your baby?
Yeah, stay in the car.
Stay in the car? Call them.
Oh, man. You have no IDs, by the way, as well.
That's fine.
You can have your cards.
I'll get it. Here. Have a seat. Cole, have a seat.
I'm gonna call them.
Do you want me to
pee? No.
You want me to hurt you in front of your kid?
Don't.
Call them.
What we've seen so far paints a troubling picture. The officers were responding to a shoplifting complaint, but things escalated quickly when the suspect was confronted. The presence of a young child only adds to the gravity of the situation. What led to this? Was there an opportunity to de-escalate? Let's watch the next part.
Can you not grab me, please?
Call them.
Oh my God.
You get up,
I'm
then
not
it's gonna
getting
get bad.
up, ma'am. I'm not getting up. I'm just
So
turning
call them.
around.
No, you're gonna say it like that. Call them.
I'm not moving.
Call them. You're making it worse for you. This
I'm
was
not,
quick.
ma'am.
This
I
is
know.
so quick.
All right, Kristen.
Yep.
You're
Need a
good.
copy?
I'm going to keep Laura. No, I already have a copy. I'm going to keep Laura. I'm going to swap you two, please.
All right.
He's not even answering the phone. They just don't look like that. It's okay.
Yeah, that's fine.
Need me to sign?
Yeah, I need you to be the witness for that, please.
Can you walk me outside?
No. Who are they?
My
So just a friend?
and my son is in the car. My cousin. How can you just
Why
walk?
they're not
I'm not
answering?
gonna. I don't know. Her phone probably dead or something. I'm not gonna do anything. You already got me in here. I'm not gonna. I'm not. You feel me? What can I do? I got my baby.
You gonna let him carry baby?
I ain't carrying the baby. You can put the baby in the stroller. I ain't touching
Where's
the kid.
the
I'm sorry.
stroller?
We can get a shopping cart. The
Yeah,
baby can go
you
in the
can bring
baby
her in the
basket,
stroller.
and you can put her in handcuffs. We can walk her outside.
I'm not even trying to.
You have the receipt and the video ready?
Copy that, ma'am.
You have the
receipt's
the
right
video
here.
ready?
I'm working on the video.
Can you do that?
Yeah. What'd you say?
Where's this? And this card is from your store. From 6379.
My God, bro. I'm trying to call my mama. This is crazy. Oh, shit. Calling my dad.
It's a petty charge.
I know. I'm not trying to. I just want to get it over with. I just want to get on my baby. Can you just walk outside with me?
I can't let you walk like that. You gotta go in handcuffs.
You can hold the baby.
And hold you at the same time?
I'm not gonna do.
I
I got my
have to
child. And my other baby in the car. What least can I do? I'm
I
not.
don't know.
I'm not dead. I'm not
Are
dead
you guys
though.
bringing me a shopping cart?
There's one
It's
right
here?
here.
Alright.
Wait, Major.
Just put him right there. You wanna hurt your kid?
Get off of me.
Lady, you're not moving. Lady, you're not moving. Lady, you're not moving.
Let go of the kid. You're hurting him.
I got my baby.
Let go.
Lady,
This guy said I wasn't going to jail. Just give me
You're
a
not-
touchdown.
You're not going exactly. The stupid dressing.
This is where emotions run high. The mother's resistance complicates the situation, and the officers are forced to make tough decisions. But were these decisions the right ones? Did the officers prioritize the child's safety? Let's keep watching.
The baby.
Don't fucking blame
I'm
me.
not. I gotta pee.
Hey, comply. Listen, comply. Don't fight her. Don't fight her. Give me your other hand.
Oh my God.
Don't fight her. Hey, don't fight her. Comply.
490 back, come on. Close to the second from HQ. Clear. Clear.
And now you're going to jail for stupid.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Please,
No, it was a fucking ticket.
He said a trespassing.
It was a fucking petty theft.
I want to get to my baby.
526, 10
Oh, just so tight of my arm.
10 for 1, 10, 15.
Ouch.
115, 18, 20 hours.
Have a seat.
Major. I did. He didn't even give it to me to sign. What paper?
It was a fucking paper.
Can I get up, please?
No.
I gotta pee, man. I'm about to pee on myself. Seriously. Can I please get up? I got my child. I'm not trying to. Please, ma'am.
You're not very smart, I'll tell you that.
Huh? Thank you. God. Thank you. Can you push it all the way because it's on the phone now?
You don't have to. I'm taking everything out of her pants.
2190, how close to you?
What's already staged? Nothing.
This is your money. It's going inside.
I gotta pee so bad. I'm really about to pee on myself, miss.
Do it, girl.
2 limits, mom, and a copy. Where you all working on this?
Yeah, you want gloves?
2060 is on the shoplifter in custody. 1015.
You don't even have to steal. You got money.
Cover.
You want gloves?
This moment is heartbreaking. A mother's desperation, the child's fear, and the officer's frustration all collide. While emotions are understandable, the legal and safety obligations can't be ignored. What happens next raises even more questions.
Choose that bag.
Yeah, I'm gonna do that.
You got gloves or you need them?
I got him.
All right.
You're good. All right, up. For your legs. You have anything on you?
Thank you.
You know, in jail, if you have anything, they're gonna charge you. Stop moving. Just stay still.
I got it going now. That's fine. You saved it. Can you burn it for me? You probably have to sign into your own account because I'm logged in on myself. I don't have it recorded.
Do you really have someone for this kid or not?
Yes, I do. It's in the car.
Just wait for another officer before we take her off.
Can you walk me up there?
Tom 26 is 10
Please.
197. Where's you at?
Go for it.
1823.
That's your mom?
Where you at?
At the office, all the way at the back.
I'm so sorry. It's okay, Papa. Kim, please.
You're going to jail.
Please.
I told you it was a stupid ticket.
He just told me.
I told you that's what it was.
He
I
didn't
sat there
say
in front of you and I
that.
said
No,
it's
I
a
didn't
stupid
hear you
ticket. I
say
told you you're not
that.
going to jail.
He didn't. You just told me this.
521 was fine. Clear. And I'll be 51 back to
to my
HQ.
baby. My other son is in the car.
You want to run?
1824.
You said stand up when you came inside.
The officer's approach here reflects the challenges of their job. While ensuring the safety of the children, they must also enforce the law. But the question remains, was there a better way to handle this situation? Let's watch the final moments.
That's what you told me to do. You didn't say nothing about a ticket. I didn't hear you say that.
712 is on the code 4. You can cancel it out.
Please. Miss.
The fact that you put your baby in harm,
Thanks,
that pissed me off. You're going to jail for being stupid. That's the main
My
thing.
son's in the car.
Not my problem, girl. Should have thought about it. I told you, it's a simple thing. Yeah, she got a kid. Hold on, she got a kid. So I just gotta make sure, she says there's someone outside with her. So I can give the kid. Come on. Hey, I'll take the baby. You want to?
Yeah.
Thank you. Oh, no, you're trying to take them off too?
No,
You want
I'm
another
not.
charge?
I'm not trying to do nothing.
You're retarded. I'm telling you, you're not very bright. You are not very bright.
This thing is hurting me. I'm not doing nothing. Alright, baby.
Oh.
I'm not trying to get the baby, but do you mind asking her if she want me to take her baby home?
Well, supposedly her friend is here with her other kid.
1260 West
They pulled off?
This could be extra, because I don't want y'all to take her baby.
Oh no, this year will come.
1015 was
Pick up this baby.
handed over to Officer Thomas for transport. Show me 107.
Your friends left.
Oh my.
801.
What?
Yeah.
You want me to take your baby home?
You can call her on my phone. Call my baby phone.
Put your feet in. Put your feet in. Put it in.
Can you call my?
What you want from here? About you
Is that who it is? Cousin mate.
No.
2862.
What's your password?
2862.
2012.
Copy.
Will
No,
they
that's
come?
not it. That's not the number. No. Hang that up. That's not her.
Well, she's asking where you at.
That's not her. It's my cousin Mika. I don't know what she asked where I'm at for. It's Karita. That number. Karita. And my baby, his phone is in there too.
Yeah, your son. I told him. Hello? I told them to come. They need to get your baby, and they left.
This case is a stark reminder of the complexities of law enforcement and the human stories behind every arrest. A mother made poor choices, but was the situation handled with enough compassion? Did the officers prioritize the safety of the children effectively? These are questions we leave to you.
Hello?
Major.
Hello?
Yes, this is
Karita.
Officer Rubio.
Where you at, Karita?
Right here. Coming.
Coming where?
I'm coming back to where you at.
You left?
From the like.
Police station 113
Huh?
occupied a bunker and garden. First black Honda.
Yes, I'm.
Solid caller. At 729 Palmetto Street.
Okay.
Do you want her to take your stuff? Alright. Where's your ID? And what purse? Do you have like a bunch of shit somewhere? Do you have an ID?
My stuff got stolen.
Do you don't have an ID?
That's why I had to give him my card.
CSA 2512. You have a 52 for your 4?
Yeah.
Call my mom phone too. Yeah, get my mom number. 561 225.
Are you coming back?
Yeah, we're coming to get the baby now.
Where are you coming from?
Excuse me?
Where are you coming from?
I'm coming from North Lake.
From North Lake?
What?
Yes.
I thought you guys were just here.
No.
So who was that person with her other kid? Do you guys want me to call DCF? Because this is stupid. I have no problem on calling DCF and they will take both of the kids.
No, I'm coming right now to get the baby.
No, where are you at?
Take him to my mama. You got my mama number. You got my mama number?
No, you're not 5 minutes away. You say you're in Blue Heron.
No, I'm coming. I will be there, man.
5465. Call her now. Tell her you bringing Major.
How is it that they left you? What kind of shitty friends you got?
225.
I'm right here coming, ma'am.
What's the number to your mom? That's my mom.
What kind of shitty ass friends you got? Who's with your son?
My son is with Karita. Call my daddy phone.
That Juliet
You have your ID?
Juliet Bravo 51.
Oh, there she is.
Hi, Major.
He knows you. It's okay, I know.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more thought-provoking stories like this. Together, let's keep the conversation going.